Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people, and my name is Shanyle, and I'm here with my cats. Meet my cat. The first cat, Chris. He is of black color, and he likes that everybody should love me. And I've got two cats. First was Chris, and now the second one. Now, second one. She is sleeping here. See? She's a little baby. She wants to sleep. And please be quiet. And please be quiet because she's got a stomach ache. And she can't walk really much because she has got a thing. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to give them food now. I'm to my kitchen. I'm getting the food. It smells really bad when I do this. Anna, come. Anna? They come back on. See, she's here. And Chris? See? He's down there. Now, I'm gonna give them food. Yes? Yes. Yeah. See, I'm giving them food. Okay? And Chris, here you go. I gave them food, and now the last one. Yes, Nile. Do you know it's really hot in Pakistan? In Karachi? You know? It's very hot in Karachi. They say you should always be hydrated. And I am. I'm drinking water. Okay, here's my glass. Here's this. And we should always drink the water in 3 sips. Okay? And before drinking water, we should say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.